In this first intricacies of this daytime deception Ring doorbell clip, a suspicious maneuvers of a stranger. Driving into someone's yard, she confidently walks to the house and rings the doorbell, stylishly waiting for a response. Unbeknownst to her, the homeowner, alerted by notifications, observes every move from afar. After a brief stint inside the house, she nonchalantly returns to her vehicle, unaware that her actions have not gone unnoticed.
Why'd you walk into my house?
I'm sorry, no, I thought it was me.
Yeah, but what gives you the reason to walk into my house and go inside my front door?
I don't have a reason.
Why'd you go inside my house?
It was going to be open for me. Like, that's what
No, I just left my house. You saw me walk outside my house. You saw me walk out. I literally asked you to move the car because I just left my house. I'm on medical leave right now, and you're raising my pressure because you left inside my house. You walked inside my house. Why would you do that, lady? Why would you do that? No. You just intruded in my house. You trespassed and broke the law. No. It's not a mistake. You saw me leave my house. Why the did you walk in? Yes, but what gives you the reason to go inside the house and open the door? Why? Why'd you go inside? Why'd you open the door? Why'd you open the door? No. You knocked on the door. Oh, why'd you walk into my house? I want to know why you walked into my house. I want to know who sent you. Like, I'm terrified right now. Why'd you walk into my house? Hey, is someone still inside the house? No. You ask him, like, hey, why are you leaving? Is someone in there? No. Is this the right house? No. The house number's right there.
In this brief yet curious Ring doorbell footage, a man approaches someone's porch with a purpose. Making a quick check on the mailbox outside the house, he discovers nothing of interest. Swiftly departing as discreetly as he arrived, the mystery of his visit lingers in the air. In this chilling Ring doorbell footage, a young man, fueled by ill intentions, gains access to an apartment with a fire accelerant in hand. He brazenly pours the liquid on someone's door camera, setting it ablaze without hesitation. The destructive act unfolds in a blaze of fire, leaving the security measures charred and the apartment vulnerable. In this unsettling dynamics of this daylight deception Ring doorbell footage, an older woman peacefully sits in front of her house when an unfamiliar car pulls up. A woman steps out, feigning friendliness and striking up a conversation. However, her true intentions are revealed as she skillfully removes the older woman's necklace and swiftly departs in the waiting car. In this tense Ring doorbell encounter, a man arrives uninvited at someone's door. With determined attempts to break in, he conceals his face with a do-rag, attempting to thwart identification. However, the homeowner's robust security measures prove formidable, thwarting every effort the intruder makes to gain entry. In this illicit act Ring doorbell encounter, two individuals strategically navigate the scene. One boldly approaches parked vehicles, exploiting the unlocked door of one to gain entry. As he pilfers belongings from within, his accomplice keeps a watchful eye to ensure their stealthy operation goes undetected. After their successful heist, the duo swiftly vanishes into the night. In this virtual vigilance Ring doorbell encounter, Sun casts shadows on an unsuspecting house as a would-be intruder attempts a break-in, thinking the homeowner is absent. Unbeknownst to the intruder, the homeowner, armed with advanced security measures, watches every move through their doorbell camera notifications. Recognizing the imminent threat, the homeowner acts swiftly, alerting the police. In this intriguing Ring doorbell encounter, a man vaults over a fence, shrouded in darkness and anonymity. With his face concealed, he gains access to someone's porch, anticipating an easy score of valuable items. However, his expectations clash with reality as the search yields no treasures. Faced with unexpected emptiness, the intruder quickly departs, leaving the scene as mysteriously as he arrived. In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, the tranquility of the night is shattered by an ominous figure approaching someone's front door. Armed with destructive equipment, this individual launches into a brazen act of vandalism, targeting the doorbell camera. The malicious intent unfolds in the shadows as the security measure becomes the victim.
System.
In this unexpected unraveling of events Ring doorbell encounter, a lady arrives with a clandestine motive, attempting to conceal her face from the watchful eye of the doorbell camera. Unbeknownst to her, her efforts prove futile as the camera captures her every move. Undeterred, she embarks on a risky endeavor, attempting to remove the camera to cover her tracks. However, the very act intended to shield her identity exposes her face fully. In this unexpected heist Ring doorbell scene, the daylight scene takes a sudden turn as a lady arrives in her car, parking right in front of someone's house. Displaying audacious intent, she swiftly walks to the front door, seizes valuable items from the porch, and efficiently loads them into her waiting car. With the loot secured, she departs the scene, leaving behind a brief but bold act of daylight thievery. In this intriguing and unexpected heist Ring doorbell scene, a group of guys boldly jump over someone's house, seeking to exploit its contents. Unbeknownst to them, the property is armed with cameras both inside and outside. The group, unaware of the surveillance, methodically searches every corner in pursuit of treasures. In this nocturnal heist Ring doorbell scene, the silence of the night is disrupted by a group of stealthy individuals. As they approach a parked car in front of the owner's house, they execute a quiet break-in, swiftly making off with all the valuables left behind. The shadows conceal their faces as they depart, leaving the scene with their illicit mission fulfilled. In this shocking act of canine kidnapping Ring doorbell scene, a vehicle pulls up to someone's front house, and a man disembarks, walking purposefully towards a pet dog left on a leash. With brazen audacity, he swiftly grabs the dog, retreats into the waiting vehicle, and departs from the scene in haste. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.